Good night, teacher. I am student Dairo Alexander Castro Gutierrez. Uh, I am 30 years old. I had a daughter and two brothers. I am a soldier. I had been in the National Army for 20 years. I like to go to the park with my family a lot. We tried to find space to travel to tourist areas. I really enjoy it a lot. I love making routes, but about making cheesy cuts, I personally like English a lot. Although learning it is a bit difficult for me, but I try to find ways to learn it. It is very important to speak in considering that today in day is a very important language and in the professional part it helps us to relate to other people. Thank you, teacher.